if he doesn't get an umbrella and a car, is it, a reason to cancel the meeting? Or
I think it cannot be a reason because during the rainy season, there are some people who vendre, je voulais dire vendre, le verbe vendre.
The verbe?
Vendre, vendre.
Vendre. Oui. Vendre. Mr. C, le verbe vendre. In English, we say?
Who sell.
Okay, to sell.
Who sell an umbrella everywhere.
Okay.
Yes, he can pay an umbrella and go to the meeting.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nakulma. But do you agree with Mr. Nakulma, class? Mr. C. Good job, Mr. Nakulma. Good job. Good job. Yes, hello, Mr. C.
Yes.
Okay, did you hear what Mr. Nakulma said?
It means me, I don't understand.
You don't understand?
No.
Okay, yes, because?
Le cours, il est un peu élevé quoi pour moi.
Le niveau?
Oui.
The level?
Very elevated.
I see. But don't worry, I have something for you just right after this lesson. But do you understand? Can you read the last line? The last line. The last line. It's raining and did you see that? Avez-vous vu cela? Did you see that? Est-ce que vous pouvez lire la dernière ligne?
Dernière ligne.
Oui.
It's raining and Mr. Bean has cancelled his business meeting.
Okay. Do you understand something in this sentence? Do you understand the sentence? Do you understand?
Don't understand.
You don't understand? Okay. I see. So rain, to rain means pleuvoir. Okay. Can you hear me, Mr. C?
Can't see.
Okay, rain means pleuvoir. It's raining. That means in French, bon, il pleut quoi. Il est en train de pleuvoir. L'action elle est progressive.
Michel.
Et qu'est-ce qu'il a fait, lui, Mr. Bean? Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait? Pardon?
What is a cancel?
Cancel, annulé.
Yes. It's raining and Mr. Bean has cancelled his
business meeting. Réunion d'affaires. Now, is it normal? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Mr. Bean cancel the business meeting.
Why?
Because it's raining.
Is it a reason? Is it a reason to cancel the meeting? Est-ce une raison?
Yes, because les gens ne peuvent pas accéder à la réunion.
Okay, let's go in English. Les gens.
The people are not to come in the meeting.
Are not able
in the meeting, the business.
To go to attend the meeting.
Yes.
People are not able, can't go to attend the meeting.
Yes.
Well done, Mr. C. Okay, well tried, well tried, well tried. All right, so who else is online?
Hello, everyone.
Who else is online? Hello, Fatma. Fatma Sila?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Fatma, how are you doing?
Here. This is Diagne.
HBS Senegal.
I'm good,
Is that
thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi. Don't see my name.
No,
I
Fatma
changed
here
my
today.
name.
Okay.
Okay.
So do you want to intervene here? So the others, I can see
I don't know.
Hari, hello. I can see Mr. Mbu was online already. Okay, if you're ready to intervene, the floor is yours. Okay, let me start grading now. Yes. Men versus women. Let's go. Yeah,
What's the
Fatma.
last sentence? What's the last
Yeah,
sentence? I think it's not. I think it's makes sense. It's not. It doesn't make sense because I think it's really professional to cancel a meeting. Why? Because it's raining. I think
it's raining. Yeah.
I think Mr. Bean can take some measures for
in order to
didn't cancel the meeting.
In order to avoid canceling.
Yeah, canceling meeting. Right.
So it's not a reason.
Yeah. Like how get an umbrella or use a platform, digital platform like to doing for example, online meeting.
Okay, to hold an online meeting.
Some way to do that.
Okay, I see. Hello, can you hear Fatma? Class?
No.
Yeah. I can't hear her very well. Mr. Moop.
Yeah. Oh, you. Oh, sorry. I have not mute myself.
Yeah, you haven't.
Yeah, I haven't
Okay,
mute
so
myself.
Fatma was explaining her, ideas, and then I think her line was breaking. We could not hear her very well.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Somebody said hello.
Yes.
Heidi?
Yes, Mrs. Yang.
Heidi, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Oh, okay. Welcome back. Okay. Who's doing that? Fatmata? Fatma?
Yes.
Okay, Heidi, do you want to say something about it?
About what?
The last line? It's raining and Mr. Bean has canceled his business meeting. It makes sense or it doesn't?
Depend of the situation.
Okay. Can you speak louder?
Hello, you can
Please,
can you
please.
I said that it depends of the situation.
On the situation?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, I think that meeting
Can you speak louder? And the others, can you mute your microphone?
Oh.
Yes, Umu?
Yes, you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. I said that it depends on the situation. If it starts raining just before the meeting and the participants are not in the venue, it can be difficult to arrive in at this place. Sorry, but I think that currently there are a lot of software we can use for doing a meeting by internet. That's why I said that.
Yeah, online.
Online. That's why I said that it depends on the situation and when this meeting was planned.
Was?
Planned, scheduled.
Planned, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I
Suppose it was planned to be, yes, go ahead.
I just said that we can't, we did not forget that we like Zoom, like other software, just 2 years. But before it was it doesn't to it didn't was it didn't
it wasn't
yes, it wasn't usual for doing meeting online.
Very good. Very good. All right. Thank you. Okay, who else? Who else? Who else? Who else would like to intervene?
Mrs. Diagne?
Yes, Awa?
I want to add something. I think definitely we have not, we don't have all elements to appreciate objectively the decision that Mr. Bean took. Why did he cancel the meeting? We have not all elements to appreciate really, because we don't know if his partner had not the good means and enough means to go out with the rain, if there was not danger on roads, if the rain was maybe there was a danger on the road. We don't have enough elements definitely to appreciate.
Yeah.
So
You're right.
yeah,
And it's
some guys,
better like this. I
yeah,
did it on purpose.
some guys can because it does not make sense. Others can take it makes sense, but definitely we cannot appreciate objectively. We need more elements. We need
Exactly.
that Mr. Bean explain us more what he tried to cancel. Umu was talking about the digital means to organize online
Tools.
meeting. Yeah, digital tools to organize online meeting. But if because of the rain there was not power, if he had power cuts, definitely he would not be able to join the meeting, online meeting.
Sure.
That's why
Sure.
I definitely think that we have not enough elements to appreciate. Yeah.
And I don't want you to have enough elements to appreciate it. I did it on purpose, to create a kind of, and that's why I did not really provide all, elements that can help you to, you know, to appreciate his decision to say whether it makes sense or not. But anyway, this is what I, expected you to do in order to try to see, different parameters to take into account some stuff like if, there was a big danger on the road, or if, as Jesse said, there was a power cut, if that's what I expected you to develop.
Okay.
That's it. And well done for everybody. So you did a good job. Anyway, to trade this statement, we will have to take into account a lot of things. Okay. If, for example, Mr. Bean is at office and he is the organizer, and it turns out that the business partners are elsewhere, and they're supposed to, for example, to leave their living place and to go to Mr. Bean's office in order to attend the business meeting. It's going to be maybe difficult if it's a heavy rain. So that means they will be obliged to cancel it if ever it's a heavy rain and they can't really move. This is one thing that can be taken into account. If Mr. Bean was at home and suddenly it started raining, well, if ever he did not have any umbrella and a car as well, I think it's going to be difficult for him to move out. Don't you think so?
Yes.
Yeah, it's going to be difficult for him to move out. And finally, I don't think that, holding an online meeting can solve the problem, because these are things that must be planned beforehand. Otherwise, it might disrupt things. If the meeting had at 5 p.m., for example, and it turns out that there's, a blockage, the participants can't join in, can't go to attend the meeting, and then it is decided to hold an online meeting, it's for sure it's going to take too long, because there are some, prior things that need to be done before organizing the online meeting. Okay, so good job, everyone. I really appreciate what you did, okay, what you gave as an explanation. It was great. So let's go ahead now. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Quickly. The last slide. Where's our forecaster? Where are the weather forecasters? I think there's only one.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, let's give the floor to Mr. C. Mr. C. Mr. C.
Yes.
Can you read? So we have here a simple of weather forecast.
A simple of weather.
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 Yes. Weather forecast, prévision météorologique.
Yeah.
The domain of hour. So what can you see in the first line? In the
north of,
yes
of the country, it's very windy.
And
cold.
Okay.
It might rain too, so don't leave home without your umbrella.
Très bien. It may rain too, ça veut dire? It may rain.
Il va beaucoup pleuvoir.
Il va beaucoup pleuvoir.
Oh.
Hein?
Il peut aussi qu'il pleuve. Il se peut qu'il pleuve.
Il se peut qu'il pleuve. Very good. Probability. That's why may is used here. Okay. So don't leave home. Yes? Mr. C? Don't.
Without.
Ça veut dire?
Leave home.
Leave veut dire?
Rester à la maison.
Quitter.
C'est quitter. Okay. C'est quitter. Don't leave home without an umbrella.
Ne pas quitter.
Okay, is it an instruction or a piece of advice?
For me, it is an advice.
It is
an advice.
A what?
Advice.
Advice. Okay, a piece of advice.
Yes.
A piece of advice.
A piece of advice.
Okay. That's fine. Donc, ne quittez pas. Yes, Mr. C, you are trying to translate, or everybody, if you can translate this, let's go.
Ne quittez pas la maison sans comment on appelle, votre
umbrella.
Parapluie.
What does it mean? Okay.
Parapluie.
Very good, very good. Okay, Mr. C, you can continue.
The temperature is around 10 degrees.
10 degrees. Okay, next.
In the
East.
It's
Lest.
Raining since this morning.
Okay, thank you. What does it mean, class? It's been raining since this morning. Class, what does it mean?
À l'est, il pleut depuis ce matin.
Very good. Il pleut depuis ce matin. Excellent. Okay, next, Mr. C, you can continue.
There may be a thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. Yeah, what is it?
This afternoon.
What does it mean?
Orage.
Orage, very good. In the afternoon. Okay, Mr. C?
The temperature is a bit higher.
Higher.
At around 30 degrees.
30 degrees. Okay. Very good. Okay, Mr. Mboop. Oops, sorry. Mr. Boop?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
In the west and middle of the country, the weather is dry, cloudy, and a little windy.
Okay.
Yeah. I
Okay.
translate.
You can continue. I think it's not that difficult. The weather is dry.
Okay.
Dry means
Dry, sec.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Nuageux. Little windy.
Venteux.
Un peu venteux. Un peu venteux.
Excellent.
Yeah. So no rain for you. The temperature is just 10. Is just 10 degree. The south of the country has the best weather today. It's cloudy most of the time, but sunny in the afternoon. The temperature is around 15 degrees. It's all. It's all.
Okay.
Hello.
Great job, Mr. Boop. Great job.
Yeah, you here?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Mr. Weather Forecaster, I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here. Okay. So what was he doing? What was the weather forecast doing? What was he doing? What was he doing?
Yeah.
Or what did he do?
I think
yeah, he was doing what podcast he will do yeah.
He was
doing some podcasts.
Forecast. Okay. Okay.
Podcast for the
is it helpful?
For the temperature.
Okay. Is it helpful?
In the west.
I mean, is it helpful
yeah,
for people to have this information?
Helpful, yeah.
Yes.
It is helpful.
Okay. Why do you say it's helpful?
Yes, I think it is very helpful. For example, when you
yeah.
want to travel, it is important to have a weather forecast for the weather in the another country, for in the another area. It is important to doing your baggage, your cabbage. Baggage, yeah. And the type of the kind of outfits and something. It is important. Like when you travel, for example, yeah.
Okay, it's helpful for travelers.
Yeah. For example, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Okay. Let's take the next line. The next slide, sorry. Okay, here you are asked to write a weather forecast. Okay, you got the keywords like to drop, when the temperature drop or go down, when the temperature go up, or when blowing. Okay. So who can act like a weather forecaster here? Because I think we won't have time to write it. So You can do it orally. I'm going to take away this line and let you weave the 2 lines. Okay, what's the weather? I mean, the today's weather in your corner. You can try to describe. And then tomorrow you can imagine the kind of weather we're gonna have, and then after you know, provide some information to the population. Okay. Where is our?
I'm here.
Where is our? Yeah, our. Yeah, this is your field.
Yes, right.
Okay, we want you to tell us about the weather conditions in your corner, and then especially tomorrow, you can imagine the kind of weather people are going to have, and then we would like to hear some warnings, or even you know, advice.
Okay.
If you can advise them, maybe yeah, tomorrow weather conditions. You can insist on you know, the description of the tomorrow's weather and give information, give advice.
Okay. I did the update of forecast this morning. Maybe I can give you directly the forecast of next 24 hours.
Okay.
Okay, so for next 24 hours from today, tomorrow, yeah, at 12, the sky will remain clear throughout the national territory. And the heat will be felt mainly in the interior of the country, where temperature will go up to 38 degrees. But along the coast,
wow,
like Dakar, it will be less supported. The waves that remain mild. The night and the morning freshness will be felt again on almost the entire country, and particularly in the northern zone and the coast.
Okay.
About the visibility, visibilities will gradually improve over the country. If you remind well, we had dust yesterday. Today also we have dust. We have too much dust on the northern and the east part of the country, and less
Exactly.
the west side. However, they
Okay.
will be locally reduced by suspended dust on the northeast and slightly on Dakar region.
Okay.
About the wind will be from north to northeast, becoming temporarily moderate on the coasts. But for fishermen, dangerous swell is expected on the coast from tonight at 11 p.m. until Sunday. So that's all.
Excellent job. Excellent. Excellent. I don't know what is the weather like in your corner, but right over here it's hot. Does it mean that the you know, the cold weather has disappeared for good until the upcoming season again?
Yes, that's why I told you that freshness will come back from this night and the morning. We'll feel freshness, but there's less
A little one, little freshness.
little freshness.
In comparison with before.
Yes, yes, in comparison with before, right? You're right.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, who is ready? Who is ready again? Keep easy. Who can try? 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 You just explain. Um, the weather conditions that you have in your side, in your corner right now. And then after you guess, you can guess, okay, and talk about the weather conditions for tomorrow. And then if you want to give a piece of advice to the population, you do it. If you want to ask them to stay home because this or that, or to go with an umbrella, or to, it depends on you.
Yeah.
Women, you have 24. Men, you have 16. Nakulma, Mr. C, Mr. Mboop. Yeah. Are you gonna accept that?
No. No, we have not accepted that.
Yeah, you can't. You can't accept that.
Yeah, can I try?
Yes, you can.
Hello.
Yes, hello,
Yeah,
Mr. Boop.
Today, yes, today in our corner, the weather is windy. Yeah, the weather is
Okay,
windy.
and what do you notice? Are there some people outside? Try to describe.
Yeah, yes, there are some people outside, but there are also some people who have wear will wear jacket and
some people who are wearing.
Who are wearing jackets.
Okay.
Because the time is windy.
Okay, windy.
Okay.
Very good. Okay, now can you imagine the tomorrow's weather? You don't know what will happen tomorrow, but we just try. Okay, we are learning. God will not punish you.
maybe tomorrow will be also windy. I think that, yeah. I think that tomorrow will be also windy. So we have to prepare ourselves.
Very good.
For wearing heavy clothes.
Very good.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Wow. Okay, let me give you 6. And then now you have 22. Yes, excellent. Okay, so somebody else? Somebody else? Who is ready again? Mr. Nakulma?
I'm not ready.
You're not ready. Hairi. Hairi, where are you?
Yes.
Are you sleeping?
No. No, I'm not sleeping.
Okay.
Yes. I said.
Can you speak louder, please?
I said that. I said just now, Mr. Wu. It was rainy today. Windy today.
Okay.
and they are lot of dust, and it was so difficult for people who are suffering of asthma.
From asthma.
From asthma, like my twins.
Oh. Okay.
And that's
very good.
I don't have ideas today.
Okay, so yeah, it's already good. Tomorrow's weather. You can imagine the tomorrow's weather. And based on the instructions that you have here in the slide, you can do as if it's it's going to be a bad weather. Okay, and then you try to develop.
For tomorrow, I pray for having a good weather.
Yes.
A sunny day. It's so difficult for us, me and my children, because we are suffering. We are suffering. I wish tomorrow will be better. The ways, and I wish we have a sunny day.
Okay. Okay.
That's all.
Good job. Okay, good job. Good job. Okay. Any other intervention? I'm about to move. If you have, if you want to say something about it, the floor is yours. Otherwise, I can share with you a new lesson. Hello? Okay. Let me show you now. This is the end of the lesson. Let me show you a new one. And this time, yeah, we're going to deal with little grammar. You like grammar? Who likes grammar here?
Me.
Even if you don't like grammar, grammar likes you. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Question tags. Do you remember that? Do you remember this grammar point? You saw it at school?
Yes.
Okay, so it's a very, very interesting grammar point because it helps to, make a kind of revision. Yeah, a revision of all tenses, English tenses. Okay, question back. It's just, the translation of NESPA in English. NESPA. Okay. Let me maximize it. Seems like okay. So this is what you have here. In the second line, unto you. But why do you have unto you here? Why? Because in the statement, you have you are. You are is a positive statement. all you need to do is to bring the interrogative question onto you, but short one. OK? If you do notice, si vous remarquez bien, on a inversé, on a juste inversé are you, mais avec l'invitation de la négation, de not. Donc, vous êtes Mr. Bean, n'est-ce pas? You are Mr. Bean? Unto you. Donc, ce qu'on répond, ça dépend de ce qui précède. OK? If you start with a positive statement, just know that the question tag is going to be negative. If you start with a negative statement, the question tag is going to be positive. You got it? So let's see the second line. Vous n'êtes pas prêt. Vous n'êtes pas prêt, n'est-ce pas? What do you have here? You are not ready. You are not ready. It's a negative statement. So the question tag, it's going to be
Are you?
positive. Yeah. You are not ready? Are you? Mathematicians, I know that you will like this. Okay. Do you understand? Do you understand how to do it?
Yes.
Any question? Okay.
Just a comment.
Mr. C?
Doesn't you? Doesn't you?
Okay. A comment. Who said that? Awa?
Okay. Before the T, we have the apostrophe, I think.
Where?
Aren't you?
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. There is an apostrophe before the T. So after I will make an update. She's right. Okay, now we have here some sentences. All I need you to do is to bring the question tag. She likes dancing. Elle aime danser, n'est-ce pas? Alors, qui va mettre n'est-ce pas?
Doesn't she?
She likes dancing. Doesn't she? Okay. Doesn't she? Everybody agrees?
Yes.
All right. Alors, she doesn't like running. She doesn't like running. You have a negative statement. And
does.
Pardon?
Like she.
Does she?
Does she? Very good. Does she? Good. This is the question tag. Alors, he went to town yesterday. This time you have to mind about the tense. It's no longer the present simple, but the preterite.
Yes.
Ah, who is going to find it?
Didn't he?
Yes? Who said that, Fatma?
Yes, didn't he?
Yes, didn't he? Very good. Didn't he? Excellent, because it's the preterite. And now we have, she did not go to the market yesterday. Mr. Moop, what did you say?
Didn't she?
Did she?
Did she? Voilà, did she? Did she, n'est-ce pas? She did not go to the market yesterday. Elle n'est pas allée au marché hier. Donc, question tag, did she? Alors, Mr. C.
Yes.
Mr. C, okay, go ahead.
They will come tomorrow.
Question tag.
Will not they?
Okay, very good. Contraction. Can you make the contraction? Will plus not?
Not.
Huh?
Won't.
Won't. Exactly. Won't. Won't they?
Won't they?
Okay, Mr. C again. They will not go there. Question tag.
Will they?
Will they? Very good. Excellent. She likes dancing. Mr. C?
Doesn't she?
Doesn't she? Okay. He went to town yesterday, Mr. C? He went.
Do he?
Pardon?
Didn't he?
All right, didn't he? Very good. Okay, very good. Mr. C, she did not go to the market yesterday.
Did she?
Did she, Nespa? Okay, let's move. Okay, well, that's what you have here. Again, you have some more examples like, yes, Mr. Nakulma, Johnny?
It is amazing. Isn't he?
Isn't he? Okay, because we have is amazing, so isn't he?
Yes.
Mr. C?
The costume were great.
Were great.
Were great. Great.
Yeah.
Weren't they?
Weren't they? Right? Nespa? All right, so Mr. Mboop, you haven't?
You haven't
Your line is hungry, I think.
Movie. Have you?
Oh, okay, have you? Thank you. Fatma Sila.
Yes.
The next one, Peter.
Peter will love this. Won't he?
Won't he? So here is the contraction that I was talking about, Mr. C. Want is the contraction of will and not. Okay. Hairi, they
didn't like Avatar.
Did they, Nespa? They didn't like Avatar, did they? Okay. Our three?
Yes. They love anime movies. Don't they?
Don't say. And the last one, this is for Mr. C. Mr. C.
He never buys the ticket.
But yeah, she never buys the ticket.
Does she?
Does she? Okay. All right, good job. So, well, that's what you have again, and it's over. Now, orally. This is the end of the lesson. I'm going to try to help you orally. She came to your house. Awa.
Yes.
She came to your house. Question tag.
Didn't she?
Didn't she? Okay. Fatma. Fatma Sila?
Yes, I am here.
Okay. She's working in a group, in a big enterprise. She's working in a big enterprise.
Is she working? Is she?
Fatma.
Yes.
She is working in a great or in a big enterprise. She is working in a big enterprise. Automatically. You say?
Doesn't he?
Be careful. Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful. Okay, who can Who can give me the question tag? She's working in a big enterprise. Yes, Umu?
Isn't she?
Isn't she? Okay. Very good. Okay. They are driving towards the drugstore. Nakulma?
Can you repeat?
They are driving towards the drugstore.
They are driving.
They are driving towards the drugstore.
Did they?
Pardon?
Did they?
Oh,
No.
do you agree, Mr. Boop?
No, I don't agree.
Okay, give me the example.
Okay.
The answer, sorry.
Aren't they?
Aren't they? Okay, contraction, aren't.
No, aren't they? Yes.
Aren't they?
Aren't they?
Aren't.
Are and the contraction of are and not.
Yes, it's aren't.
Aren't.
Okay, the pronunciation, it's aren't. Okay, he bought a new car. He bought a new car? This is for who again? Mr. C? He bought?
Mon écran est bloqué.
Hein?
Mon écran qui est bloqué. Je n'arrive pas à voir la fiche.
D'accord. Okay, so Fatma Sila. He bought a new car.
He bought didn't he?
Excellent, didn't he? All right. They did not recruit a new tech guy. They did not recruit a new tech guy. Awa?
Yes. Please repeat. I didn't follow. Sorry.
Okay, they did not recruit a new tech guy.
They.
Okay, great. Moop. They won't go on vacation this year. Moop. They won't go on vacation this year. Okay, Moop is not following. Hairi? They won't go on vacation this year. They want to go on vacation this year.
They won't go on vacation
this year.
Will they?
Excellent. Now it's up to you now to give me your examples. Okay, the sentence plus the question tag. Who can do that? I'm going to grade. Each sentence is worth 4 points. 4. Yes.
40.
4. Each sentence is worth 4 points.
Just 4?
Yeah, 4. 4. Cut.
Yes.
Okay. Women.
I start.
You have 29. Men, you have 28. Men, you have 28. Okay, Audrey.
Yes, she will go to the market tomorrow.
Won't she? Good job. 4 points. Somebody else?
Can I
yes?
They didn't do their homework yesterday. They didn't do their homework yesterday. Did they?
Excellent. Did they? 4 points.
Yeah. They came from the mosque. Did they? Didn't they? Didn't they?
Okay, 4 points. Excellent.
She didn't go to the office. Yes, yesterday. Did she?
Did she? Very good. 4 points.
He plays
Wow.
football tomorrow.
Huh?
He plays football. He plays football today.
He played.
Plays.
Oh?
He plays football today.
Okay.
Does he?
There's a little mistake.
Mm.
Yeah. Can you try again?
He plays football today. Does he?
But what do you have? Negative statement or positive statement?
Okay, I see my mistake. Doesn't he?
All right, doesn't he? Okay. So let me give you 2. Okay, try again. Try.
He plays football today. Doesn't he?
Okay, very good. Somebody else?
They are watching TV. Aren't they?
Very good. But pronunciation is aren't they?
Aren't they? Oh.
Aren't they?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like anta, but yeah, ant.
Okay. Good.
Okay, somebody else. Mr. C, did you fix the problem?
Yes.
Okay, somebody else. Nakuluma?
Là, tu me demandes de venir manger.
Okay.
Women 39. Men 40.
Can I try?
Men, you have again? 40. Women, you have 39. Yes, Hairi?
It's time to go to dinner.
So now question tag.
He go to
Isn't it? No, to go to dinner. Isn't it?
Très bien, very good, isn't it? Okay, 4 points. So that's what the Americans pronounce like, isn't it? Isn't it?
Isn't it? Okay.
Yeah. So this is how they pronounce it. So, okay, good job. So there are 5 minutes left. Hairi.
Yes.
You can go, to the table.
No.
With your smartphone or your laptop.
No.
Yeah. Okay, a last round. The others. Women, you have 43. Men, you have 40.
He go to the cake today.
Pardon?
She go to the cake today.
She goes.
She goes to the cake today.
To the church.
Church. Does she?
There's a problem, class, right?
Yes. Doesn't she?
Doesn't she? Yes. Doesn't she?
Okay. Somebody else?
They didn't attend the meeting. Did they?
Excellent. 47.
Men are quiet today.
Yeah, because you did not really have pity on them. You did not have pity on them. Whoop, whoop, nakulma. Mr. C, but Mr. C is having some problems. Unfortunately, it seems like he's offline. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But Mub and Nakulma, women are at the top.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
As usually.
As usual.
Yeah.
Okay. So great job. But it's not that difficult. All you need to do is to give me your sentences. That's all. There are so many sentences that you can make here.
Okay. He is driving his car. He's driving his car. Isn't he?
Very good. Isn't he? 44 now.
Yeah.
You have 44. Now you can give another.
44 equal?
44, 47.
Oh, okay. 44, 47. I can.
Yeah.
I can bring another sentence.
Yes, it depends on you.
Okay. Fatma Sila go to the kitchen. Don't she?
Goes
to the kitchen. Don't she?
Okay, but now, c'est elle est allée? Ça veut dire elle est allée ou bien elle est allée? Sorry.
Elle est allée. Yeah.
Donc, ça peut être goes.
Yes, goes, yeah. Goes to the kitchen.
Ça peut être rare. Non, ça peut être goes. Elle est allée.
Elle y est déjà.
Allée. Ça peut être goes.
Okay,
non, tu as... si elle y est déjà, donc c'est she is.
Yeah.
Maintenant, elle est allée, c'est she goes ou bien she went?
She went, yeah. Fatma Sheila went.
Okay,
went to the Fatma Sheila went to the kitchen.
Okay.
Didn't she?
Very good. 48 now. Wow. 48, 47.
Time is up.
Women.
Time is.
Time is up.
Time is up.
Time is up.
Men, you won. Men, you won. Congratulations. Men, you won.
No.
Time is up. Time is up, yeah.
That's one sentence.
We are champions.
Yeah, you are champion today.
Yeah.
And congratulations for that.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for attending the class and see you on Sunday.
Okay.
Good reading. Same time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.